And race number 8 will be up and running in just a short while. Gobernadora. Still outside. Meanwhile, you can still place your bets. Gobernadora now being loaded, and they're at the gates, ready for racing. Racing just is started while Inspiring was left behind. We have Meryl's time break, quickly restart. Moving up on the outside, Gobernadora JST in the middle portion. Dagaran Quiz with Eliza, Pedro Penduko, Atoy for us, Jupiter Thunder, Substantial, Real Excellent, Angelic Boys comes next alongside Supra, while entry number 10, and that is Shining Gold, is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Meryl's time by about 4 lengths. Pedro Penduko in second, Dagaran Kid in third. Moving up now on the outside is JST Substantial, Jupiter Thunder comes next, Gobernadora as we realize, Angelic Boys, Real Excellent, Supra, Atoy for us, and Shining Gold. And at the far turn, we have Meryl's time by about 2 lengths. Pedro Penduko in second, JST on the outside, Jupiter Thunder, Angelic Boys now moving up on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. Bunch of entries are now fighting out for the lead. Angelic Boys moving up on the outside to take the lead. Down on the inside, Pedro Penduko, Meryl's time, JST, Real Excellent, last 75 meters. We have Angelic Boys followed by Pedro Penduko, and finally Angelic Boys, Real Excellent. Then comes Pedro Penduko, Meryl's time, Sweet Eliza.
Patay ko mag-aantay na naman tayo ng matagal din mo kung may photo finish tayo.
Oo, ang daming dumating sa tercer. Mabuti talaga ngayon si